Look around you. Every invention, every advancement, every beautiful piece of art or groundbreaking scientific discovery began with a single crucial element: action. Not just an idea, not just a dream, but the courageous act of taking the first step. Yet, how often do we find ourselves stuck, trapped in the quicksand of what if and the comfortable paralysis of not yet? We call it procrastination, but let's be honest, it's often a fear of failure, a fear of success, or simply the overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to begin. We tell ourselves we'll start tomorrow, next week, when we have more time, more resources, or when the stars align perfectly. But tomorrow often becomes never, and perfection is the enemy of good. The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. There will never be a time when all obstacles magically disappear. Life is messy, unpredictable, and constantly evolving. And that's precisely why taking the first step is so profoundly important. It's not about leaping across the chasm. It's about building the first plank of the bridge. It's not about writing the entire novel. It's about typing the first sentence. It's not about achieving your grandest vision overnight. It's about making that initial phone call, sending that first email, or dedicating just 15 minutes to that daunting task. Think about the ripple effect of that first step. When you take action, you break the inertia, you create momentum, you learn, you adapt, and you gain clarity. The path that seemed so murky from a distance begins to illuminate with each step you take. And often, that first step reveals that the mountain you imagined was actually just a molehill. So, how do we move beyond procrastination and embrace action? First, break it down. Big goals are intimidating. Divide your grand vision into smaller, manageable tasks. What's the absolute smallest thing you can do right now to move forward? Second, start imperfectly. Don't wait for perfection. Good enough is often better than perfect, especially when perfect means never getting started. Embrace the learning process that comes with doing. Third, understand your why. What is the deeper motivation behind this goal? When you connect with your purpose, it fuels your drive and makes taking action less daunting. Fourth, and perhaps most importantly, just begin. Don't overthink it, don't overplan it. Simply pick one small thing and do it. The very act of starting is often the hardest part. Once you're in motion, staying in motion becomes easier. Today, let's commit to moving beyond the realm of intention and into the world of tangible progress. Let's silence the nagging voice of procrastination and replace it with the empowering roar of action. Let's remember that every great journey begins with a single step, and that step belongs to us, right now.